Welcome back to the garage. To change the soft top cover hydraulic cylinder in your 2004 SAAB convertible, start by opening the trunk. Disengage both soft top cover mechanisms, lift the sixth bow manually, and carefully lift the soft top cover manually. You may have to manipulate the trunk lid to avoid collision and to prevent pinching your fingers. The soft top cover is manipulated by two hydraulic cylinders. The hydraulic cylinders are held in with a pin and a retaining clip. I like to use a small screwdriver or a pick to remove the double action retaining clip. Of course, it's difficult doing anything while holding a camera, so I'll set you guys down. The clip is a double action type, so you have to lift and push at the same time to remove it. Next, remove the retaining pin. And the other side of the cylinder is held in with a combination retaining pin and clip. There will be some washer springs between the cylinder and the bracket. Use a tool to remove the hydraulic hose retaining clips from the cylinder housing. Because the clip at the bottom of the cylinder cannot be grabbed from the outside, I found it useful to gently tap with a screwdriver. Once the retaining clips are out of the way, the hoses should twist and pull out easily. Take extra care when reinstalling the hydraulic lines into the cylinder. There is a very small O-ring in that fitting, and you need to take care that you don't tear or dislodge that O-ring. Well, it turns out on my particular car, both the left and right side soft top cover hydraulic cylinders were leaking out of the end caps. These cylinders are $500 brand new each out of Sweden. $200 each to have them rebuilt by online rebuilders. I managed to locate mine at a local LKQ U-Pullet yard for $10 each. When reinstalling the cylinder, I found it easier to partially close the soft top cover just for ease of access of the combination retaining pin and clip. While we're in here, we're going to replace the soft top storage cable. Now this is the cable that raises and lowers the soft top storage bag in the trunk, depending on whether the soft top is in the open or closed position. Mine happens to be sheared off at the end, and so it doesn't matter whether the top is open or closed. The soft top storage bag will always be in the down position, which takes up quite a bit of space in the trunk. So there's a snap ring that needs to be removed and a couple of zip ties that need to be undone. The other side of the cable attaches to the soft top cover hinge assembly. Again, there's another double action clip like on the hydraulic cylinder. Another retaining clip needs to be removed. And push the cable back through the bracket. We'll need to close the soft top cover in order to open the trunk to finish the job. Now, I've already stripped all the trim out of my trunk, and removing the remainder of the cable is as easy as prying off these retaining clips. With the old cable out of the way, thread the new cable behind the hydraulic pump assembly and reattach the retaining clips. I picked up this cable from LKQ while I was there, and so it's not in perfect shape. This retaining clip has been damaged and needs to be replaced with one that does work from the old cable. There's a zip tie holding this main hydraulic hose bundle to the retaining clip of the cable that's immediately behind it. Back up top with the trunk closed and the soft top cover reopened, reinstall the cable to the soft top cover bracket mechanism using a pair of pliers. Now, I found this to be somewhat difficult as the new cable had a lot more spring tension than my old cable did. Route and install the other end of the cable, then resecure the cable to the body of the vehicle. Reclose the soft top cover, reopen the trunk, and top off the hydraulic pump. A quick cleanup and time to test. Factory service for SAAB recommends exercising the convertible top 5 times to bleed any air out of the hydraulic system. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe, and remember all of my videos start with, how hard could it be?